Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up a Supercell ID for Brawl Stars account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open up Brawl Stars. Once you're on the home screen, look for the 3 lines button in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on it to open the menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see the Supercell ID option. If it's blue, that means that your account is not yet connected to a Supercell ID. To connect your account, tap on the Supercell ID button. You'll see an option to register. Now go ahead and click on that. After that, click Continue. Now you need to enter a valid email address. Make sure to use an email that is currently active and that you have access to, because you'll need it to verify your account. You can also choose to check the box to receive news and updates from Supercell, but that's optional. Once you're ready, click on Register. Supercell will then send a 6-digit verification code to your email. Go to your inbox, find the email from Supercell and open it. Scroll down to find the verification code. Copy it and return to Brawl Stars to paste the code in the verification field. After entering the code, click Submit. Next, you'll be prompted to create your Supercell ID name. Once you've chosen your name, click on Continue. You'll also have the option to choose an avatar for your Supercell ID. You can either select one now or skip it and do it later. Now you're all set. If you go back to Settings, you will see that the Supercell ID option is now green, which means your account is successfully connected to Supercell ID. So that's basically how you can set up a Supercell ID for Brawl Stars account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.